Hey dolls, so in this video we're going to be making the tube dress. This one is simple, it is super easy, and it's probably going to take you just about 10 to 15 minutes most likely, even on your first try. First thing we're going to do is fold over our fabric and create a space for us to go ahead and lay down our pattern. We are of course going to be using the tube dress pattern, which is the main pattern that you probably see. We are going to be doing this 2 times, and honestly that is the only steps, the only things we need to cut out before we get to sewing. Now that you have the first one cut out, you want to go ahead and prep your fabric again. So go ahead and repeat the same step and cut out a second piece. Now that you have both pattern pieces cut out, we're just going to go ahead and open them up and lay them on top of each other, right sides facing. To close the dress off, we're going to go ahead and sew down the longer sides of the dress on the left and the right side. Again, please keep in mind that you can use a zigzag stitch to complete this step, or if you have a serger, you can serge it as well. Once you finish sewing all the way down on one side, just go ahead and repeat the same step to the other side. Now that you're done sewing down the left and the right side, the only thing that's left to do is hem the top and the bottom. To hem it, you're just going to go ahead and fold over the fabric twice. So I'm doing it one time, and then take that and fold it again, and that's where you'll sew, and you're going to go ahead and use a zigzag stitch for this as well. Keep in mind that at the beginning of your stitch and the end of your stitch, you do want to go forward and backwards a few times, just so that the thread doesn't loosen up or get out of place and everything is locked in and secure. So go ahead and fold over your fabric twice, lay it under the foot, and once you begin to sew, go forward, back, forward, back a few times until you feel that it's secure enough, and then continue on to sew all the way around. As you sew, you want to make sure that you're continuing to fold the fabric over just to keep it in place. Normally it should kind of do it for you, and you just have to follow along. You may just have to tuck in little pieces here and there, but just keep going all the way until you get back where you started, and then go forward and backwards to close it. And once you're done sewing that, you just want to go ahead and cut off any excess thread that you may have, and then get started on the bottom portion. Do the same steps and you're literally all done with your tube dress. Here I am going ahead. I'm going to begin and hem the bottom half of the tube dress. And I'm going to do the same thing that I did to the top. So I'm going to fold the fabric over twice, lay it under the foot, and go forward and backwards a few times to lock the thread in place, and take it all the way around until I'm back where I started. Go forward and backwards when I get back to the starting point, and then I'll be all done once I cut off that excess thread. And once you're all done with that, the last step is just to flip your dress inside out, and you're done with your tube dress.